Welcome to the Teleblog channel. While other messengers, social networks and messaging apps are surrounded by scandals related to security, data leaks, incredible amount of ads and poor functionality, Telegram is always moving forward and has made an incredible leap forward in 8 years, being ahead of its competitors. Find out why you must switch to Telegram right now and what you need to tell your friends and relatives so that they use Durov's creation too. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you can find Telegram practically everywhere. Android, Windows, iOS, Linux or macOS. Each system gets regular updates, and each platform gets their brand new features. No one will be left out. Besides, Telegram offers its web version in case you can't install the app. When sending a message on the phone, it immediately appears on your computer or other smartphone, so there's no song and dance about it. The data is synchronized instantly, unlike other messengers, where linking to devices is almost impossible. WhatsApp, for example, allows you to synchronize one smartphone and one computer, while Viber allows one primary device and several secondary ones that synchronize with the former. Telegram has no limits. In addition to being cross-platform, Telegram has one major advantage: the convenience of communication, both work and personal. In the messenger of the Russian genius Durov, you can configure folders that you like. That is, divide your space into different subcategories: work, home, friends, channels or groups. We will talk about them in detail later. And if some of the chats is no longer relevant, but you still need the information in it, you can just send it to the archive and then come back after a while when you need it. As I have already said, you can create any folders that you want, make only new messages appear in them, the old ones disappear, and so on. Another great advantage over other messengers is file sharing. Telegram allows you to send and receive files up to 2 GB and is completely free, while other messengers allow you to send some teeny tiny bits, like WhatsApp with a limit of 100 MB and Viber up to 200. Telegram only extends its limits. It's super convenient when sharing files with other users, as well as with yourself. For example, from your computer to your laptop. If the file is up to 2 GB, you don't need a flash drive. There's also a so-called favorites folder where you can keep all your data. You think that's all? No way! There are at least 4 more reasons why you, your friends and family must switch to Telegram, so bear with me. Not yet with us? Subscribe right now. Already did it? Then share this video with your friends and relatives. The more people know about us, the stronger our community and the better the content. Still not sure if Telegram is for you? Then check this out. The next reason why this messenger is the best option for communication is reliability and safety of your data. Durov's messenger has been blocked in Russia for several years now. The same applies to a few other countries. Why? Because Telegram refused to give its encryption keys to the intelligence services and refused to cooperate with various governments. This is hardly the case for other messaging apps. I mean, take WhatsApp's privacy policy changes, which caused a huge migration of users to other messengers. Telegram is a place where privacy is valued, your calls and data are protected, and if you want even more secure communication, you can use secret chats. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that Telegram is famous for its functionality, and that's absolutely true. You won't find a more advanced messaging app. Take voice chats as an example. Back in December, no one could have imagined that the developers would be so proactive and add the voice messages as in the trending Clubhouse app in such a short time. And now, in the fall of 2021, voice and video chats allow you to communicate with an unlimited number of users. The feature is available to everyone, including channels and groups, where if you are a listener and you want to speak, you can just raise your hand and say something you like. Another amazing thing about Telegram compared to other messaging apps is various public channels, bots, and groups. Many Telegram channels, which by the way include comments, are popular for their exclusivity, the speed of delivering the news. Bots simply make your life easier in many aspects, while groups let you communicate with like-minded people. There's one drawback though, it's all hard to find. But don't get upset, you can find various useful resources in Telegram through Google. The next nice Telegram feature is that you can customize the messenger as you like. Thanks to the flexible settings, you can set your own background, change the colors of all the panels, choose some ready-made themes, and also download third-party options. And if you still don't want to switch to Telegram, then there's a bonus. Awesome, various, and free animated stickers and emoji. There are plenty of them in the Messenger, everyone can find something they like and enjoy a truly colorful conversation. I really hope that this video will change the minds of all those who doubt if they should switch to Telegram and start using a really good quality product. Share this video with your friends and also Telegram haters and show them they should switch to a new level of communication. Share in the comments what other features you love Telegram for, cause I might have missed something. That's all I have, it's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.